Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coursera for certificates you add to LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Coursera for certificates you want to add to LinkedIn, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.coursera.org and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your email address associated with your Coursera account in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Courses section, usually found in the top menu. Here, you will see a list of all the courses you are enrolled in. Select the course from which you want to obtain a certificate. Inside the course dashboard, look for the Grades tab or a similar option. Click on that tab to view your course completion status and achievements. Find the certificate option, usually labeled Download Certificate or Share Certificate. Click on that option to download your certificate, save it to your computer or another convenient location. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to www.linkedin.com. Log into your LinkedIn account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon. On your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. Click on it, then select the Add Licenses and Certifications option. Fill in the required fields, such as the name of the certification, issuing organization, and issue date. For the certificate URL, upload the PDF you downloaded from Coursera, or attach the URL if available. After completing the form, click on the Save button to add the certification to your profile. You have successfully logged into Coursera and added your certificate to LinkedIn. Now you can showcase your new skills with your LinkedIn connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.